Guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. I'm not out of pumpkin recipes yet. This is pumpkin bread and it is fresh out of the oven. It's only been sitting in its bread pan for about 7 minutes before I pulled it out and put it on this wire rack to cool. So, I'm not going to be cutting it open right now. It's near midnight and I don't want to wait until 1 o'clock in the morning for this to be cool enough to slice it open and have some. I'm definitely going to have some toasted tomorrow morning for breakfast with a cup of tea. This is, all the usual ingredients in a bread. Flour, sugar, I should say sweetener because I used monk fruit. Oil, spices, baking powder, baking soda, and pumpkin. I will have the full recipe on my blog. So since I'm not going to taste it, I will go ahead and thank you all for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And I do regular uploads Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Regular community tab posts on Monday and Friday. Do stay tuned because it'll take a while after I have it for breakfast. It'll probably take about 3 hours to upload the video, but there may be 2 videos tomorrow. This one and me having the pumpkin bread, so you can see what it looks like on the inside. It's a very stiff, almost more like a dough than a batter. And you have to smooth it out with your spatula when you get it in the pan. But, you don't want it to be too mushy and gooey on the inside, or you don't want to have to bake it for 2 hours instead of just 1. Actually, it took 50 minutes. So we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. Maybe there will be a video and maybe there won't. Maybe it'll be a fail. So anyway, I will link to it, to the recipe on my blog in the description. I will also link to the previous video in the description. I also thank everybody in the description. So thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you later, guys.